How to check balance on your UnitedHealthcare UCard. So I'm going to show you a few different methods. The first one is using your online account. You want to visit the official website or the dedicated UCard hub site. You log into your account. You want to use your UnitedHealthcare username and password to log in, and then check your UCard balance. Once you have logged in, navigate to the UCard section or your account dashboard. There you can see your balance and transaction history. If you want to do it on the mobile app, you will download or open the app. If you don't already have it, you can download the UnitedHealthcare app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Then you will just log in with your UnitedHealthcare account credentials and check balance. On the main dashboard or within the UCard section, you can view your current balance and other account details. Another way of how you can check your balance is customer service. You can call the number on your UCard. There is usually a customer service number on the back of your UCard, and then you'll just follow the prompts once you have been connected to a representative. In store or pharmacy, you can swipe your UCard at participating locations. Some retailers or pharmacies that accept UnitedHealthcare UCards, like grocery stores or drugstores, may allow you to check your balance at their customer service desks or register. You can also ask for a balance inquiry. You can ask a cashier or customer service representative to check the balance by swiping your card. And the last way will be through monthly statements, review statements. If you receive monthly or quarterly account statements from UnitedHealthcare, your UCard balance may also be included in those reports. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.